So if you're getting this WINWORD error, the 0xc0000142 error, when you're trying to open up Microsoft Office, whether that's Word or Excel or PowerPoint or whatever you have, I'll help you fix this issue just because this recently happened to me. So the first thing I want you to do is just restart your computer if you haven't done that, regardless if it's Windows 10 or 11. Go ahead and restart it. And as you can see here, this is the error that pops up for me, updating Office, and then of course it never gets me into Office. So what I first want you to do is just run Task Manager while you're in Windows. And of course, you know to do that, you just hit Control-Alt-Delete. That's the Control-Alt and then hit Delete on your keyboard. And then open up the process and see if Office is open currently. Most likely it won't be. But if it does, go ahead and select it and end it. Now after you've done that, go back into Task Manager, click on Services here. And then find where it says click to run services, and then what I want you to do is right click it, and then I want you to restart it, and then see if you're able to get into Microsoft Office. If that doesn't work, this should be the thing that fixes it for you, because it did for me. So what I want you to do is open up Apps and Features, regardless if it's 10 or 11. In the very bottom left here in Search, just type in Apps, APPS, and then that's going to take you to all your apps. In the very center, I want you to scroll down to wherever your Microsoft Office is. For me, it's 2016, but yours might be 2019 or whatever you have. And then what I want you to do is go ahead and click Modify. And then from there, it's going to take you to this. Now you can have Quick Repair or Online Repair. I did just Quick Repair, and that fixed it for me. But now it's not quick. So click Repair. It's going to take you to this. It took me 20-25 minutes for this scrolling. And it finally finished up, and I didn't have to restart or anything. I just went into Office, and then it worked for me. Now, if that doesn't work, go ahead and do Online Repair. Just make sure you're connected to the internet, and see if that will work. Now, if you tried all that, go ahead and go to Windows Update. So again, go on the very bottom left of your Windows home screen, click on Update, and then click on Check for Updates. And regardless if it shows that you don't have any updates or not, force an update, because you'll find that usually you do. So for this one, it had version 22H2, and then see if that will fix the issue. Now, if you've tried all that, go ahead and uninstall your Microsoft Office and then reinstall it. I know it's a hassle, but if you've tried everything, you restarted it, and you did the repair and everything, then go ahead and just reinstall your Office. All right, thank you for watching.
You, come here. Yes, you. I need your help. Come here. You see this right here? This wall's empty. I need a YouTube play button. In order for me to get a YouTube play button, I need 100,000 subscribers. I got what, 20, 30,000 right now? I need 100. I need you, please, you to subscribe. You think my subscription doesn't help? Yes, it does. I need 100,000. I visualize what I want in this world. And what I want is a YouTube play button. I want a YouTube play button, and I need you to subscribe. You can help me. You can make your dreams come true. Just visualize it. Whatever you want in this world, you can have. You can have all your dreams come true. I want you to help me make my dreams come true. All right? So please, please subscribe.